President of the Republic of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev and President of the Slovak Republic Peter Pellegrini, who is on an official visit to Azerbaijan, inspected construction progress in Bash Garvand village of Aghdam district on July 14 and laid the foundation stone of the Milan Rastislav Stefanik Secondary School, designed for 840 students. Emin Husanov, Special Representative of the President of the Republic of Azerbaijan for Aghdam, Fuzali, and Khojavan districts, briefed the presidents of Azerbaijan and Slovakia on the developments in Bash Garvand village. Bash Garvand village is located on the right side of the Barda-Aghdam highway and railway line, 18 kilometers from the center of Aghdam city. The village, which remained under Armenian occupation for many years, was liberated on November 20, 2020. President Ilham Aliyev laid the foundation stone of the village on December 24, 2023. Construction of the village's social infrastructure is currently underway, including administrative and service buildings. Plans also include a multifunctional administrative building, a medical center, a secondary school and kindergartens. Roads with a total length of 35 kilometers are being built, while communication, electricity, gas, drinking water and sewage networks are being installed. Alternative energy sources will also be introduced to improve energy efficiency. The presidents were also briefed on the Milan Rastislav Stefanik Secondary School, which will be built on a 3-hectare site. The school will include 35 classrooms, technology, military training and computer rooms, a library, and physics, biology and chemistry laboratories. It will also feature an assembly hall, a sports hall, a canteen and other educational facilities. Solar panels will be installed to supply electricity to the school. The school grounds will include a sports field with a running track for both students and local residents, as well as playgrounds, recreation areas and green spaces. Following the briefing, the presidents laid the foundation stone of the school. Slovak companies are participating in the construction of Bash Garvand village, while the school itself is being built as a gift from Slovakia to Azerbaijan. The two heads of state also visited a newly built house in the village. The village, which covers nearly 480 hectares, is being developed in 2 phases. The first phase covers more than 200 hectares and provides for the construction of 851 detached houses for 3,703 residents. Of these, 170 will have 2 rooms, 417 3 rooms, 145 4 rooms and 119 5 rooms.